habang tayo nagpapatuloy, bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting tips. Sa Benguet side, Globe ang malakas ang signal. Pero dito sa Smart ang nagwagi. So, marami namang dual SIM phones dyan. Make sure that you have both if you want to communicate with your pals. Yung first day, may signal, prevalent. Second day, almost none. Ito lang, pababa. Mali pala. First day, may signal ang umaga, walang signal ang gabi. Ang hapon. Second day, may signal ang umaga, tapos panaka-naka na as the afternoon or day progresses. So again, Benguet, Globe, may signal. Dito sa Ilocos Sur, at least for this trail, Smart. Kagandahan naman pala dito. May waiting shed. Talagang parang highway. Thank you, Ilocos Sur. Salamat naman.